Hey guys, what's up? Alright, it's Double Deuce back. Today's episode, we have an alternator and a couple of add-ons. And we'll go over some scale to see what scale is. So grab your favorite smoke, beverage, and popcorn and hang out with Double Deuce today. Okay, so I got the alternator kit. It was like 79 bucks. I got it through Sterling Kit. It comes with the brackets, a couple of rectifiers, a belt, so you can put the longer belt on it, and it has this rectifier that comes with it also. So I used the square one, and I wired it according to Johnny Q90's video, so these things put out some voltage. But I'll show you a close-up picture of how I wired it. And that way there, you gotta have some soldering skills. So, in order to use this, you're gonna need one of these. This is they call this a step-down buck. I got the digital ones, so you get the exact voltage. And we got in positive, in negative, out positive, out negative. Now, this little screw here, you adjust it. When you turn it down, it cuts the voltage down. Now, if my memory serves me correct, this goes from 1 volt to 40 volts. This alternator puts out over 30. So you're going to have to need something to cut it down after you get it out of your rectifier. And pretty cool. I mean, it's like, I'm surprised it works. It's so small. How long, we don't know. But now, at the same time, I was wondering, on this engine, it has a complete oiling system in it. It's got an external dry sump that pulls everything through the pan, oil filter. But every time I check the oil, I have to use one of these, you know, just a rod. So I thought, hey, what if I make a little dipstick? You know? And I'll put that right in that rubber plug in the oil pan, so I don't have to keep pulling the plug and checking it with a wire after I get it in my build. This way it's serviceable from outside, no big deal. And then as I got digging through some boxes, oh, I found this, and I found this right here, little air cleaner. This here, I tore it all apart. I think I'm going to use this one on it because it looks pretty scale. Hold on. That looks pretty scale. This one here is a breather, and it's an oil breather for a valve cover. So it catches oil. It doesn't breathe very well. When I got my Sen extended body with a 7.7, the guy had this on there, and he could never get the thing to run right. As soon as I pulled the air cleaner off, the thing ran great. So, anyway, with the dipstick, I'm using just a piece of curled flat steel, painted black with a rubber O-ring, and a piece of copper tubing. And I've already got a hole in the plug so I can remove it, and I'm just gonna drill it out a little bit bigger and put that in it. That way the dipstick will come out here like so. It'll be like back here, just like that. And that way there, I can just pull the dipstick, check it, make sure it's still got oil in it. Now, I've really not had any problems with this. I know there are problems out there with these things. So, but, you know, depends on the, you know, parts at the time and the build and all that stuff. And so I was going over this engine. And the reason I think it's a 5th scale is because this is a 6th scale. Single overhead cam, 427 side oiler, static engine model. And you put that up against that, this thing is pretty good size. Where, I don't know, you know, could be 7th scale, maybe. Because it's bigger than that. And that's supposed to be a 6th scale. But I had a bunch of scale models, engines, and I put them all together. And they're all different sizes because they're all different shapes. So you can't really tell, you know. But, so, like I say, 1/6, 1/7 scale. I thought it would be a 5th. You could probably put it in a 5th scale lightweight build. But I still think that it'd be perfect in a 1/6, 1/7 scale. But that was my video for today. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Mine was busy. I got to go to work tomorrow. Had the week off. Just kind of goof off. And it was so nice because my alternator kit came. And I got that on there this week. So I got a little hobby time in. We all need that. So, anyways, guys. Like, share, subscribe if you want. Love to all. Any questions, comments, post them in the comments down there. And I will catch you later, man. Adios.